Health officials say that seniors are a high-risk group for the virus, and that's another reason for social distancing. But some are warning that too much isolation could be harmful as well. KPIX5's John Ramos has that story.
We're all trying to get used to this social distance thing, but what if you're older and you don't have a lot of friends around anymore, and the only people you do know are being told not to come around you? Fruitvale Village in Oakland is eerily quiet as people hide in their homes from the unseen menace of coronavirus. The senior center here is closed, food placed out on a table for those in need. But for some, the human contact is as important as the food itself.
Where they are lonely, that's where we really worry about increased risks of depression, and unfortunately suicide is also a concern. Older adults have very high suicide rates.
Sociology professor Dr. Stacy Torres says elderly people, especially those in their 80s, can be mentally harmed if deprived of basic social interaction. She's worried that isolating them to protect their lives may make them stop caring about living at all.
But I think we're just at the precipice of trying to figure out how to avoid those grave consequences that come with isolation. And the challenge here is nobody knows how long this is going to last.
In Orinda, the library is closed, but it's more than just a library to Bruce Bell.
That's what I did on my bike. I rode my bike to these libraries, you know. That sort of outlet is gone, you know, so I don't know what I'm going to do.
Also in Orinda is Seniors Around Town, which used to offer rides to seniors for everyday tasks. But with mandates coming down from Bay Area counties to shelter in place, the volunteers may still be able to deliver essentials, but without the interaction their clients so desperately crave.
The laughing, the crying that we do, we're friends with them. They trust us. They know that they can depend on us, not just to get a ride, but also to be there for them. Going forward, if this continues, we need to have some way that we can interact with those seniors.
It may not be business as usual for these volunteer groups, but policymakers are already reaching out to them for their expertise in dealing with this vulnerable population. In Orinda, John Ramos, KPIX5.
The Mental Health Association of San Francisco has a hotline set up for people feeling a bit anxious or depressed about the coronavirus. It's called the Warm Line. It's available 24/7 to anyone in California. Hotline number is 1-855-845-7415, and you can go to their website, mentalhealthsf.org, to chat online.